Pizza on the grill? You bet! Bobby Flay's Margherita grilled pizza tempts with a golden crust and that brick oven flavor that pizzerias are famous for. Before you stretch out the pizza dough, it must be at room temperature. Cold pizza dough will shrink after you shape it. Get your grill up to temperature before you throw your dough on the fire. Brush a high-quality olive oil on the dough, season with salt and pepper, then grill for 1 minute per side, or until the dough has become a golden, bubbly crust. To make your summer cooking more carefree, this recipe calls for store-bought pizza dough, which means you're already halfway done with dinner prep at the start. Look for it in the refrigerator or freezer sections of your grocery store, or ask a pizza joint if they'll sell you some dough. Either way, it's a score as a dinner shortcut. Fresh ingredients make all the difference with any recipe, and grilled pizza's no different. Transfer it to a baking sheet and drizzle it with olive oil. This one's topped with thin slabs of fresh mozzarella and slices of Roma tomatoes. Piled with tasty toppings, it's perfect for summer parties and family meals on hot nights when you don't want the heat in your kitchen. Cook for a few minutes or until the cheese melts. Our rendition of Bobby Flay's Margherita grilled pizza will take the local pizza joint off your phone's speed dial forevermore. Take your pizza off the grill and generously garnish it with fresh basil. It's almost too beautiful to eat. Almost.